Now this is a model 1860. I think it's a model 1860 black powder revolver. It's been fired a few times. Wood stocks are in great shape. A few dings here and there on it. Some marks on the cylinder. Cock's good. This is a reproduction, not the real thing. Made by Pietta of Spain, I believe it is. .44 caliber. Takes percussion caps. You can see a little. Don't know how good that'll show up at the engraved scene on the cylinder. Makes it look nice. Nice ship there. This is patent 1850 or 1860. I think it's 1850. Leather holster. Not really the holster that goes to this, and kind of small. I couldn't get it on. Seen better days. Could be repaired, but you can see when the pistol goes in there that it sticks out the bottom there. You wouldn't want to go making a quick draw with this rig, but there you go.